Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Story World. Today, we will learn English through a beautiful and inspiring story. Listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. Once upon a time, there was a poor farmer named Raju. He lived in a small village with his wife and little daughter. They had a tiny house and a small piece of land. Every morning, Raju woke up before sunrise. He worked hard in his field from morning until evening. Although he was poor, he was always honest, kind, and helpful. Everyone in the village respected him because he never lied or cheated anyone. One summer, there was no rain for many weeks. The crops began to dry, and the farmers became worried. Raju prayed every day for rain. He never lost hope. One morning, while digging his field, Raju's shovel hit something hard. He dug deeper and found an old wooden box. He opened it carefully. Inside the box were many gold coins and beautiful jewels. For a moment, Raju was surprised. He thought, if I keep this treasure, my family will never be poor again. But then he remembered that honesty is more valuable than money. He asked the villagers if anyone had lost a treasure. Nobody knew anything about it. Finally, he informed the village headman. The headman searched old records and discovered that the treasure belonged to an old family who had left the village many years ago. After many days, the family was found. When they heard about Raju's honesty, they were deeply touched. They offered him half of the treasure as a reward. At first, Raju refused, but they requested him again and again. Finally, he accepted a small part of the reward. With that money, Raju repaired his house, bought better farming tools, and sent his daughter to school. He also helped poor people in his village. Years passed. His daughter studied hard and became a teacher. She always told her students, "Honesty is the greatest treasure in life." Raju smiled with pride whenever he heard those words. People from nearby villages came to meet Raju. They wanted to know why he had returned the treasure instead of keeping it. Raju always gave the same answer. If money comes without honesty, it never brings true happiness. His simple words inspired many people. One day, a rich businessman visited the village. He offered Raju a high-paying job in the city. Raju thanked him politely but said, "My happiness is here. I love my village, my family, and my work." The businessman respected his decision. As the years went by, Raju became one of the most respected people in the region. He was not famous because he was rich. He was famous because he had a good heart. Children learned from his story. Parents told his story to their families. Teachers shared his story in classrooms. Even today, people remember Raju as an honest man whose character was brighter than gold. Moral of the story: honesty, kindness, and hard work always bring true success. Money can make life easier, but good character makes life meaningful. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, keep practicing English every day. See you in the next story on English Story World.